Hello and welcome back to AtsBay Online Classes YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my videos. One thing I want to remind you here, अगर आपको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती तो आपको वो ऑडियो सेटिंग आपका वीडियो पे एडजस्ट थोड़ा करेगा तो आपको हिंदी में मेरा ऑडियो आपको मिलेगा, लेकिन मेरा वॉइस नहीं होगा। फिर भी आपको वो जो भी मैं वीडियो में कह रही हूँ इंग्लिश में, वो पूरे कंप्लीट जानकारी जो भी है वो हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके आप सुन सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो चलो हम आज का वीडियो पे जाएंगे। So today I'm going to give you something for competitive exams. Somebody has been asking in the comments regularly now, maybe 1 or 2 times, to give some energy for the competitive exams, for winning competitive exams. So basically it is a student's thing. It is for students who want to score better, who want to win in competitive exams, and also professionals who want to increase their skills, people who are doing craft so that they get more ideas. All these things included in this. So at the moment we are launching a course on October 16th or 17th probably, which is a demonology course. It is a full course of demonology which consists of the 72 energies, and also I'm giving a pact making class also along with it. Now this class actually started, this demonology workshop actually started in 2024 October, and some people had joined it very patiently. They have been waiting until I complete it for 1 year. It is now almost a year, and we finally have reached the final last episode of it, and I will be launching the course after 16 because some of them are traveling. Actually it's almost ready. Now we decided that I will give the pact making class live on a Zoom call or on a Google Meet meeting or something like that. I will give it live for all those who want to join for that course. So now all the old members will be there, and anybody new who want to join also, your first class will be the pact making class. Now about the fees, there is an offer at the moment. I'm giving this course for just rupees 10,000 before the launch. Okay, and after the launch the fees of the class will be 25,000 rupees. This is, I'm talking about Indian rupees. So this is the offer. Anybody is interested can join or can contact me to enroll. At the moment it is not published yet, but after 16th it will be published, and also the fee also will go up. At the moment, if you join, you will get a chance to be with us on the live class of the pact making. So let's move on to today's topic. What I was actually saying was that there is an energy whom you can use for your studies. So the fallen angels are very friendly with humans. They love to support humans. They love to share their energies with us, and they have no inhibitions like the other angels. There is no limit to what you can ask them. That is why most people are nowadays preferring fallen angels, and they don't judge you. That is another thing which you have to really consider. They don't judge you. They don't say, no, this is not for you, you're not meant for this. They don't say that. Whatever you ask, they will give it to you. So that is their method of giving you what you ask. The fallen angel we are choosing for this is Vapula. She's a female angel, and she is tall, 6 feet tall. She has red wings. She wears green clothes. She has green eyes. She's very fair skinned. She has long black hair. This is her appearance. You can see on the screen behind me something which I have created. Now you can create your own image of any fallen angel. There is no limit to what you can imagine. You can create whatever you want. If you create a beautiful image of a fallen angel, when you evoke that fallen angel, when you call upon that fallen angel will appear to you in that form. If you visualize a fallen angel in a demonic form, the fallen angel will appear to you in that form. So it is up to you which form you want to visualize the fallen angel and which form you want the fallen angel to visit you. Now, I don't believe that the fallen angel sends their legends and armies to test you and all that. I don't believe in all that. I don't know, the people who believe in that may have their own reasons for that. For me, I don't believe that. Whenever you call a fallen angel, the fallen angel will come to you by some means. It may be by sound, maybe by smell, maybe as a person. We don't know how they come, but it is their wish. Whichever way they want, they can appear before you. And sometimes in an animal form also, they can appear like that, like as a dog, as a cat, as a bird. Anyway, they can appear. So they can take any forms. Now, another thing is, when I said it's a female angel, there is also another thing about the fallen angels, that they can appear as male and female. Sometimes they appear as female, sometimes they appear as male. So again, it is up to you. What you want them to appear as, they will appear in that form to you. So when we choose a fallen angel, we need to find out what are the offerings for that fallen angel. I will explain one by one the procedure here, what all you need to give. So the offerings of any fallen angel usually will be their favorite things. Okay. Now, among her favorite things, one is jasmine, is the smell of jasmine. Now, the next is blood, next is tea, honey, chocolate, and her pendant. This is very important. Now, don't think that, oh, she's saying like this because she want to sell her pendant. No, it's not like that. I have seen and heard many people recommending paper printout of sigils. It will not work. Believe me, trust me, it is not going to work. If you needed only the paper printout of sigils, in the grimoires, they will not write big chapters on how to create a sigil. They will not write like that and keep. If only printed version was required, only paper version is required, they will not write like that. It is particularly written as to how the sigil has to be made to attract a particular demon. When you want to call a demon or a fallen angel or any angel, you need to go through the sigil. Why? Because the sigil is the signature of that angel. That angel only understands that. Keep this in your mind. That angel only understands that. And we are giving copper sigils. We are making copper sigils. Why? Again, because copper transfers energy very fast. So you definitely need that copper sigil. So you can keep it as a pendant or you can keep it as a amulet. The difference is pendant means you will have a hook on it and you can wear it on your neck, or if it is an amulet, there will be no hook. You can keep it in your purse. This is the only difference. So both are very small in size, 3 centimeter in size. So that is the measurement of the sigil. So these are the things that are her favorites and which is required to call on her. Any fallen angel you want to call, there are certain things and conditions you need to follow. So these things you need. Next, you need the oil of the fallen angel. Vapula's oil you need. You need the candle of the fallen angel. Now, for the candle, you can keep any white candle with the sigil drawn on it. If you know how to draw, you draw the sigil on the candle and keep that sigil. If you don't know how to draw, you take a printout of the sigil in a very thin paper and embed it into the wax candle. So how do you embed it into the wax candle? You take the printout in a tracing paper. Tracing means like a tissue paper. You take it and you hold it onto the, paste it onto the candle and you add some heat on it. That means you blow it with a hair dryer or a heat gun. If you have a heat gun, okay, otherwise a hair dryer. If you blow it on it, the sigil will go right inside the wax. It will be pasted. The tracing paper or the tissue paper will melt out and the sigil will be seen right inside the candle. It will not come out. So that is how you do this procedure. I'll try and show a video on how to do this later. So now you have the candle. Sigil, you need to get one sigil. That is unavoidable. You need to get the sigil. And oil. Now we come to the oil. Recently, one of my students asked me, can I make the oil? I said, yes, you can make, you can research and make what you want, but you have to find out what is required for each demon. Now, we are selling demon oils. We are selling demon oils to our students at a very discounted rate. We are selling on Amazon also, but at the proper rate, which is 1,000 rupees per oil, 15 ml of oil of the demon oil. Now, each demon oil is different. If you want to make your demon oil, you can make your demon oil. What you need to do is find out what is the scent that particular demon likes. Now, here I already mentioned it is jasmine. She likes the smell of jasmine. So, what you need to do? You need to put jasmine, then you need to find out if there are any crystals she likes. So, in Vapula's case, she likes citrine. She likes. So you put little citrine in the oil. She likes vervain, then you put little vervain in the oil. So like this, some certain things what the particular demon likes, you put in that and you apply the oil on the candle and on the sigil and you start chanting her end. This is how you do the invoking. So when you are chanting the end, before you chant the end, after you apply the oil on the sigil, what you need to do is you need to apply one drop of your blood on the sigil. So why do we apply a drop of blood? It is to make that link between you and the fallen angel. So there should be a link, right? Then only you will be connected. So you need to do that. And moreover, that is their requirement. So that you need to do. There is no way to avoid this. Don't ask, is there some alternative? There is no alternative. You have to do it. So that is the only way you can connect with that particular demon. And many people come to me saying, I tried calling, I tried evoking, but they never connected to me. That particular demon never connected to me. Yes, it will take time. It does not happen in 1 day or 2 days. Sometimes it takes a year to connect with a particular demon. It is their wish, they also should feel that they should come to you. Somebody is calling you to a particular resort. Come, they are saying. So you will not go, right? You also should feel that you need to go there. You want to see that place. You want to go there. You also should feel. The same way, the fallen angel also should feel that he or she should come to you. So that is why it takes time and it delays. Sometimes it happens very fast, sometimes it takes time. So these things you need, you keep this and then you say the end of Vapula. Now I will recite the end here and also finish this video. You can follow the same procedure I have explained in this video. And when you are evoking, when you are saying the mantra, when you feel that the demon is present or when you feel that the demon is listening to you, you will hear certain changes, you will feel certain changes. At that time, you tell the demon what you want. If you have a competitive exam, you can say, help me get the best results in this competitive exam. I need your help in passing this competitive exam. I need your help in becoming first rank in this competitive exam. Anything, whatever you want, you say. You can say whatever you want. Like I said before, there is no limit to asking them anything. You can ask whatever you want. So just be confident and ask what you want. And once the demon listens to it, you will feel that the demon is listening to it. Then you say thank you and you ask the demon very respectfully to leave, that you are free now. Please go back to where you have come from. This is the line you should say. All this command, obey and all that is rubbish. Don't follow that. You will go through a lot of losses if you follow that kind of method. Just don't follow that. Just say respectfully. See, in this world, everything is obtained only by respect. Nobody will give you anything if you disrespect them. The same way, every being, every soul requires respect. So take respect and give respect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so far. Thank you once again.
Renish Secore Vapula Taipan. Renish Secore Vapula Taipan. Renish Secore Vapula Taipan.